Welcome to the day 5 of this wonderful training, and let's quickly look into niche specialization and marketing yourself as a virtual assistant. So, what do you do to position yourself for the success for success in the virtual assistant industry? Okay, so quickly we are going to run this slide and then we will quickly look into the premium training. Okay, well, we're going to learn more about marketing yourself as a virtual assistant amongst different niche that are paying currently. Okay, um and how you can be able to set up your portfolio across different platforms where you can get job as a remote worker, as a virtual assistant. Okay, we'll help you set up those profile. Okay, and what to do to start attracting clients. That will be in our premium training, in our premium class. Okay, now we're gonna also within the premium class identify best virtual assistant remote jobs. Okay, and then their job platforms where is currently paying right now. We'll help you once you join our premium class. We'll sign you up on them, help you set up the profile, and then you are you have a professional virtual assistant profile or a remote working profile where you can be able to attract clients from these platforms. Okay, we'll also help you for those of you that are not having professional CV right now. We'll help you get a professional CV. We'll help you create a professional CV, professional resume that will position you better as a virtual assistant. Now, also, when you subscribe to this premium package, you are guaranteed of a job of a client within 1 week. You are guaranteed of a client within 1 week. So you get a job and you start earning at least $18 per hour once you subscribe to this premium package. Okay. Now, lastly, once you also join our premium package, you will be certified. That is when we'll be giving out um, certificates to individuals that have successfully participated in all our training sections. Okay, so all the above mentioned benefits will be given to you when you subscribe to our premium class on this virtual assistant. We'll also be rolling out advert on this premium class. Now let's get started. Exploring specializations, social media management, uh, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay, schedule posts and monitor trends using tools like Hootsuite and Buffer. We also have MetricQ and many of them. Engage with followers and provide analytics reports to clients. Okay, now if you want to work as a social media manager, this is what you're expected to be doing. Okay, you manage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and many of them. That's what you'll be doing. You schedule posts and then you engage with clients. You engage with followers and provide analytic reports to clients. Okay, so we'll be dropping a comprehensive tutorial as well, guide you professionally how you can be able to do all this on a in a live section. Remember, our premium class will gonna be a live section, a one-on-one section with our team members. They will be there live, and you interrogate with them. It's a one-on-one support on how you can be able to do all of this if you're working as a social media manager. Now we'll be looking at exploring other niches like email marketing manager. You create and manage newsletter like using MailChimp, ConvertKit. We have many email marketing companies out there online. So um, we'll also guide you professionally how you can be able to do all this. Then, not just this, build email lists and automate campaigns for client promotions. We'll teach you professionally how do you do all this using any email marketing platform. Now, track email open, click rates, optimize content and strategies. This helps you to know how many persons are really interested in the emails that you are sending out, in the content that they are sending out to their email inbox. Okay, you should be able to track open click rates to optimize content strategies. Now, once you subscribe to our premium class, now you'll be able to understand all these if you're working as an email marketing manager. Okay, now exploring specializations, we are looking at customer support manager. Now handle inquiries through platforms like Zendesk and FreshDesk. These are platforms that will help you better if you're working as a customer support manager. We'll explain that also. Provide live chat support and maintain excellent customer service. We'll explain that also. Manage support tickets efficiently and respond to customers' needs promptly. Okay. Now create. We also have another one in terms of data entry manager. Okay, that when you're working as a data analyst a bit, but you just enter data, key data, store data, manage data, retrieve data, and then pass it out to your client or to your company, the company that you're working for. Will also help you work better as a data entry manager. But then let's look at creating a professional brand and portfolio. Now, the importance of this is shouldn't be much emphasized. If you don't have a professional portfolio, no client will contact you. That's why you need this premium class. Because after watching all these videos, after going through this virtual assistant training program, and you're not able to set up a professional portfolio, you may not be able to attract clients. Okay, and what do you do for your clients to trust you? We're going to also teach you that in the premium class for you to be able to get clients, manage your clients all through, and then deliver exceptionally. That will be in the premium class. Now, develop your personal brand. Okay, you should be able to get your name, the name which you're gonna choose for your brand, for your clients to get in touch with you. You should be able to coin that professionally. Okay, just like we answer Digitech Solutions Company. Yes, is a company brand name. Okay, you should be able to develop yours. Now we have define your niche, unique skills, and value proposition. Okay, it's very important. It's very important on your personal this thing on your personal portfolio platforms across all these platforms. Now, if you're able to do all this, okay, we'll teach you that, and then how you're gonna do that and attract clients. So choose a brand name or tagline that reflects your services and styles and all that. So creating a personal brand. Okay, we're still on that. Building an impressive portfolio, showcase examples of previous work. We'll teach you how to do all this. Highlight testimonial and feedback from clients. You know, use platforms like this are to host your portfolios. How do you do this? Is very important. Platforms like LinkedIn, Behance, and Wix to host your portfolios. Now, this is very important. We're gonna teach you also on the premium class how you can be able to do that. Pro tip, update your portfolio regularly to reflect recent work. Very important. Networking and finding clients on freelance platforms. Now, these are an example of freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, people. And then there are many other ones. In fact, there are recent ones that are not here on the screen that helps you earn money and helps you get your clients directly. Okay, so that these ones now they pay you small money, little money. When you join our premium classes, we teach you a platform that you get your clients directly. Okay, aim for high level project if you specialize in certain areas. Okay, building a strong online presence, you should be able to do that. Connect with potential clients. Okay, participate in freelance communities and Slack groups to network. Okay, networking and finding clients on freelancing platforms. Still on that, tips of success. Craft personalized proposal for each job. Maintain and update profile with keyword related to your service. Um, Collect reviews to build credibility and attract more clients. All of that. So summaries and key takeaway. Now, why we rush this particular program is because this is not the main. This is just a recap of how you can be able to position yourself and get clients. Just an example. Just a giveaway for people that are not going to subscribe. People that will say I don't have money. Okay, you just have this, and then you start practicing. We're looking forward to see every one of us succeed in this field. But in our premium class, we're going to teach a lot. So please do well to subscribe to that premium class. It's very important, okay, so that you learn everything, just like I said from the beginning of this section. Okay, now specializing in a niche enhances your value and marketability. A personal brand and strong portfolio attract clients. Freelance platforms provide opportunity to grow your business and all of that. So now success usually comes to those who are too busy and be looking for it. How do you look out for success? How do you invest to looking for success? Now it matters a lot. Okay, just like we are giving out this uh, premium class, please, it is very important. If you have followed all these tutorials and submitted your assignments all through these sessions up to this stage, and you want to learn more, please subscribe to this premium class. It's very much affordable. Harry David Toril is the one that brought out this quote, and I love this quote a lot. Now, question and answer. If you have any question, please do reach out to us in the comment section below, and then we will quickly respond to that. Stay connected and follow us on all our social media channels for updates. Very important. Thanks for participating.